The subject is ME8695 heat and mass transfer. The unit one is called conduction. So conduction is first of all we have to know what is meant by heat transfer and what is meant by mass transfer. So heat transfer is nothing but heat is transferred from one region to another region. That is called when it is occurred between the temperature difference. That is called heat transfer. So transmission of energy from one region to another region. So when it is happens means it means the temperature difference where the region is happens means we have the energy can transfer. So next to the modes of heat transfer. The modes of heat transfer is conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, well. So conduction means the energy take place by the kinematic motion. It occurs only in solid to solid phase region. So energy take place by kinematic motion. So pure conduction we have to see in the pure conduction in only in solids. Next one is called convection. So heat transfer occurs between solid surface and a fluid medium. When the two phases, solid phase and a liquid phase, where it is occurred between, that is called we named as a convection. So convection possible only in solid phase and fluid medium. And next one is called radiation. So radiation is nothing but without any transmitting medium is known as radiation. It is an electromagnetic wave phenomenon. So for example, we have energy absorbed from the sunlight. So next one is called the Fourier law of conduction. This is the first topic in heat and mass transfer. These are all the basic topics. What is mean by heat transfer and what are the modes of the heat transfer and what is mean by conduction, convection and radiation. So first one is the basic part, Fourier law of conduction. This is the first formula in heat transfer, heat and mass transfer, first unit. So Fourier law of conduction, the rate of heat conduction is proportional to the area measured, normal to the direction of heat flow and the temperature gradient in that direction. So rate of heat conduction means Q. Okay, so how much amount of rate of heat conduction transferred in a region? So the rate of heat conduction is proportional to the area. The proportional to the area measured normal to the direction of heat flow. That is called the dt divided by dx. It is called temperature gradient. So we have to eliminate the proportional. We have to add one constant. Okay, that constant is called K. Okay, so that K is called thermal conductivity. Okay, so thermal conductivity is nothing but defined as the ability of material to conduct the heat. So area in meter square, dt divided by dx is the temperature gradient in kilo per meter and K is the thermal conductivity in watt per meter Kelvin. These are all the Fourier law of conduction.